Preparing eggless chocolate muffins in the microwave, we will take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to this we will add about 50 grams of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. And now let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of grounded sugar or caster sugar into it. Mix all the dry ingredients properly. The dry ingredients have mixed up properly well enough. The cocoa powder has totally mixed up with the maida. We'll keep these mixed dry ingredients aside and take another bowl and mix all the wet ingredients. Margarine or unsalted butter, and add 1 cup of curd, add 1 cup of fresh cream, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Mix up the wet ingredients. Mix up the mixed dry ingredients now into the wet ingredients. You don't need to make this batter as we make it in the cake. We just need to roughly mix up all the ingredients, and the batter shouldn't be thin, it should be thick. Just a couple of mixes is enough so that all the ingredients get properly blended up. To this we will add about 2 bars of chocolate. If you can get hold of the chocolate chips, you can add at least 1 cup of chocolate chips. We have taken about 80 gram of bar of a chocolate. You can add any flavored chocolate. Mix this up. Our mix for the eggless chocolate chips muffin is ready. To prepare the muffins, we have taken silicone muffin cups. We will line them with paper cups. You can even directly pour the muffin mixture into it, but we are lining them with paper cups. Now take a small teaspoon or a scoop if you have a small scoop and pour the muffin mixture into them. muffin cups have been filled, we will place a cherry over them. Put the muffins into the microwave. It took about 2 minutes for 6 of the muffins to prepare. You can store these chocolate chips muffins in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching the video. Do give your feedback with comments and how it turned out for you. Bye for now and see you in another episode of Recipes You Like.